beautiful day. Would you like to go and...
Sorry, but I can't. There are a million things I have to do today.
You know,
What?
I've got something to say, I'd really like to say.
I've heard it all before, excuse me, but I don't believe a single word you say.
Isa sa pinakamagaling na designer na makilala ko with unique style when it comes to designing. Mondes, happy birthday. Wish you good health and more birthday to come. God bless.
Hi Miss Des, good morning and happy birthday. I'm praying na ibigay niyo ni Lord yung the one and always ibigay niya yung desire ng heart mo. So, thank you for always guiding us. Thank you for your leadership and for sharing your wisdom sa buhay. Enjoy your special day. Magpahinga ka lang. Kami mo nang bahala sa tindahan natin. Okay? So, happy birthday. Thank you Miss Des.
Hi Des, happy birthday. I wish you all the best of prosperity, of good health, and sana may love life na. And once again, thank you for your friendship. Thank you for all the help that you've been giving me, all the support and love. I hope that to see you successful in the coming days. Once again, happy birthday.
Hi Des! Happy birthday! 17 years na tayo nag-work together. Cute ka pa rin. You're very helpful. Pero sana merong mas exciting na mangyari ngayong birthday mo. Naghihintay pa rin ako ng kwento. Bye!
Des cute! Happy 16th birthday! I wish you all the best because you deserve it. Stay loving and kind and pretty no matter what. Hope there's no stress today. Lunch or dinner soon. Love lots!
Happy birthday, Creamy! 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Creamy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Creamy. Happy birthday, Creamy. Happy birthday, baka naman. Baka naman. Ingat always. Enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Yes. Miss na namin ikaw. Miss you, Creamy. Baka naman ha. Okay, ingat. God bless. Ingat. Bye. Bye.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nina Des.
There's so much more I'd like to do.
Hi Ma'am Des! Happy birthday to you! Enjoy your day! God bless you always! See you soon! Happy lang!
Happy birthday, Des! Eto, nag-effort pa kami sa balloons and cake. Eto yung cake mo. Happy birthday! Thank you sa pag-design mo. Alam mo na yon. Secret. Love you, mama. O, sa'yo na, Des.
Des, thank you sa pag-ano mo dun sa bahay ni Bunso Oh, thank you. Happy birthday! We love you. God bless.
Surprise, Ate Des! Would like to greet you happy birthday! We love you! Surprise! Konnichiwa, Ate Des, from the land of the rising sun. Happy birthday!
Hi Des! Happy 29th work anniversary! Oops! Akala ko pang QCC greeting to. Birthday mo nga pala. But wait, kung 29 years ka na sa Sun Life, tapos First job mo ang Sun Life. Let's do the math. My goodness, Des. Golden girl ka na pala. Ang bilis ng panahon, no? Parang kailan lang. Pumapasok ka sa office na naka-stockings, naka-office uniform, formal na formal. Well, kidding aside, happy birthday, M. Dele. Cheers to another year and I wish you all the best. Pinapasabi rin pala ni S. Dehe, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Hi, Des! Surprise! Happy birthday to you! This is an early greeting sa birthday mo next week. So, I hope na surprise kita. Okay, as usual, my wishes for you is best of health and happiness always. Take care and always stay as sweet as you are. Talagang hindi ka talaga tumatanda, lalong bumabata.
Birthday, dear! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy 50th birthday, Miss Des!
Hello, Ate Des. Happy birthday. Kinalkal ko pa tong picture na to para lang makapagbigay ng video kay Aldi. Hindi, joke lang. Pero I wanted to show you yung mga lumang pictures. Pero isa pa lang yung nakikita ko. Happy birthday. Nining-nini ka pa dito. Ilang dekada na kaya to? Joke lang. Happy birthday, Ate Des.
Happy 50th birthday. May you have many more days to come. More happiness, more promotion, more blessings from up. Ano ba ang gusto mong isurpresa namin sa'yo? Pag sinabi naman namin sa'yo, hindi na surpresa. Kaya kailangan
Surpresa.
biglaan. Kaya lang, wag mo kami re-rejectin. Minsan ka lang dumating sa edad na 50. Hindi na babalik yan. Kaya kailangan namantalahin natin. O sige, happy birthday. Maging maligaya ka sana.
You know, I've got something to say I'd really like to say.
I've heard it all before, excuse me, but I don't